How to play Circles by Post Malone at any skill level. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can play this chord progression. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert level guitarist, you're going to be able to play this one just fine, promise you. Starting out with the most simple way to play this song. So all I'm doing there is going from a C major 7 to an F major 7 over and over again. To play the C major 7, you can hold just your regular C chord and let go of the index finger. So you're just holding the A string at the 3rd fret, the D string at the 2nd fret, and you can let the rest ring open. There's a bird outside, can you hear it? Stopped as soon as I said that. There are 2 different ways that you can play the F major 7. You can hold it including the A string like this. So going from the A string down, that would be 3, 3, 2, and 1 on the B string. However, you can also play that F major 7 without the A string. And then starting from the D string down, that would just be 3, 2, and 1 on the B string. And then to show you what I'm doing for the strumming pattern there, I'm just going down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up. Same strumming pattern for at all skill levels. But do keep in mind, if you don't want to play that strumming pattern, you can just play like down strums, 8 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. Make the strumming pattern as complicated as you want, or as not complicated as you would like. That's the beginner way of playing Circles by Post Malone. And moving up from there, it's really just a matter of adding extra little transition chords into the chord progression. All I'm doing there is adding a little E minor 7 in between the C major 7 and the F major 7. And the E minor 7 might be the easiest chord you'll ever play, because all you're doing is holding the 2nd fret on the A string and strumming all of the strings. That's an E minor 7. But you might be wondering, when do we switch to that E minor 7? Which is a fantastic question, totally reasonable question. We switch to that E minor 7 on the last up of the down, up, down, up. So the down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, F. Back to C. Down, down, up, down, up. And if you want to do something a little bit extra here within this intermediate level, we're going to add our pinky down to the 3rd fret of the B string before moving on to that F. So it would sound like this. So we got the beginner, we got the intermediate, and then let's just go for the expert level here. And the reason why I saved this one for the expert level is because there's this tiny little bar that you're gonna have to do in it. So at the end of our chord progression, when we're on that F major 7, before we switch back to the C major 7, we're gonna play this modified F minor chord right here. So the way I like to think of this is, if I start with my F major 7 shape here, I'm gonna let go of my middle finger, and then my index finger is gonna smash down the G, B, and bottom E string. And what I like to do to help me do that is I use my middle finger on top of my index finger to help me put that pressure down. And that helps me do that bar chord. Probably help you too, not sure. You can try it out. So here's what it would sound like if we incorporate that little F minor transition going into the C major 7. There you have it. That's how you play circles at 3 different skill levels.